Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1964 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 347 Ford stroker, power force pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Proper oil pan for the 64 Mustang, front sump oil pan. Oil pressure switch extensions installed. High flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines and gas filter set. Fittings are installed in the fuel pump. They're easy hookups. Engine lift hook is installed to install the engine. Distributor set in place, MSD coil, Cobra valve covers and air cleaner. Aluminum intake, quick fuel carburetor on there. Throttle return spring and bracket installed. PCV valve and ventilation hose hooked up. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed. Proper flex plate for the customer's C4 transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete, turnkey, ready to go. We got the chrome dipstick and tube on there. Proper thermostat for the 64 Mustang, 45 degree. Thermostat's installed. This beautiful chrome Raptor pulley kit on here. AC compressor on there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Spring loaded tensioner on there. Keep the belt tension always proper. Proper water pump. Passenger side lower hose, 64 Mustang. 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup. You have the power steering pump on there with the reservoir attached. Real easy to hookups. Pressure and return line right there. Every engine is live run for over an hour at the Engine Factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Engine will be fully tuned, ready to roll. You'll have total confidence when you put it in that you know it'll be 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business. We've been in business over 50 years. So there you have it, 347 Ford. Thanks for watching.